Let's take my pond to the next level with the pump filter kit from POPOSOAP. This filter box has everything you need to maintain a healthy pond while remaining aesthetically pleasing. It has a fine sponge, a coarse sponge and lots of bio balls, a pump and a selection of spray nozzles. This one is going to be my favourite. This is what it will look like once you've set it all up. The pipe sticks in the top of the filter box and then has different spray nozzles on the top. There's 3 to choose from. I was so excited to put this in the pond. Here's what it looks like, the spray nozzle on top, and here's what it looks like in the pond. This is so much fun. I really love this one. The flow is also adjustable, so you can have it as big or as small as you like. I feel this one would be more suited to quite a big pond, whereas I don't have a massive pond, so I have to have it on quite a low setting, but the spray does go really wide. This is the second nozzle. I really like this one. I think it fits my pond perfectly. It's very pretty and aesthetically pleasing. The next nozzle I like to call the bell-shaped one. It reminds me so much of my geodome. So it's nice to have like a sphere sort of shape in there as well. This one is so pretty to sit and watch. I honestly think every pond should have one of these because they are so much fun. I think my fish really like them too. If you're interested in buying one of these for your own pond, the link will be in my description. But it's got a recommendation from me, 10 out of 10.